हरि ओम। ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीं अष्टादशाध्यायिनीं अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series today, chapter 10, shloka number 34. Mrityu sarvaharaschaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam kirti shrirvakcha narinam smritir medha dhriti kshama. Krishna is explaining his vibhutis, his glories to Arjuna. In what all you can actually think of me? That list continues. Mrityuhu sarvaharaschaham. I am death that actually usurps everything. Everything is over with that. During the pralaya, everything gets destroyed. I am that death. Udbhavascha bhavishyatam. Among the good things, all the good things that happen to a person who is eligible for that, any good thing that happens, anything, prosperity, whatever it is, that is me. Kirtihi shrir vakcha narinam smritir medha dhritihi kshama. Kirtihi is fame. Shrihi is prosperity. Not just wealth or money, but the prosperity of everything, attaining whatever you desire, the enjoyment, and then wealth and virtuous nature, all this Shri, beauty, radiance, everything is, we say, Lakshmi karama irukku. What is that? That prosperity, that richness in everything, that is called Shri. Vak is speech, the ability to actually convey whatever you think, that speech. Smritihi is the memory power. Medha is intelligence. Madhusudana Saraswati says, Aneka Granthartha Dharana Shaktihi Medha, the ability to grasp or learn many books It is intelligence. Dhritihi is courage, determination. Not giving up under any adverse situation. Whatever difficulty you face, being brave, courageous, without getting dejected. Kshama is patience, endurance. All this Narinam present in the women, that is me, says Krishna. So all these are manifested in their best only in women. Kirtihi, fame. Vak, speech. Medha, intelligence. So we say women should not become very famous, or they should not learn, they should not speak on stage. But here Krishna says, all these in women, I am that. So, all these are in their best form only in women. They can actually gain so much fame. They can learn whatever they want. They are so very well versed in speech. Actually today it's being proved, right? Women are excelling in whatever field they choose to enter. And this is a shloka here said by Krishna. These are the words of Krishna. Brihat sama tatha samnam Gayatri chandasamaham Masanam margasirshoham Ritunam kusumakaraha. Brihat sama tatha samnam. In the Sama Veda, among the songs that are sung, I am the one called Brihat Sama. And among the various meters, Chandas is any shloka or mantra has particular number of letters and particular number of padas for each meter. And among all those meters, I am the Gayatri Chandas. Masanam Margasirshoham, and among the months, I am the month Margasirsha, the Margadi. From December 15th to January 15th we have. I am that month. Ritunam Kusumakaraha, and among the seasons, I am the flowering spring season. In the scriptures, this spring season has been actually mentioned in so many places. Vasante Brahmanam Upanayita, the sacred thread ceremony that should be done during the spring season. Vasante Vasante Jyotisha Ejeta. In the spring season, you perform the Jyotisha sacrifice. Tadvai Vasanta Eva Bhyarabheta. In the spring season itself, you begin. Vasanto vai Brahmanasya Rituhu. The spring season is the season of the Brahmin. Vasante Brahmano Agni Nadadhita. Light up the sacrificial fire in the spring. So that spring season has been given so much importance, and I am that spring among seasons, says Krishna. Dhyutam chalayatam asmi tejastejasvinamaham jayosmi vyavasayosmi sattvam sattvavatamaham. Dhyutam chalayatam asmi, among those who deceive, the various ways in which you can deceive. I am the game of dice, I am that gambling. Tejasvinamaham, among the splendid, those who are possessing that splendor, I am that splendor in them. Jayosmi, and among the victorious, I am that victory. Vyavasayosmi, among those who put effort, they strive for attaining something, they put so much effort. I am that effort which causes them to achieve that. Sattvam sattvavatamaham, among the good, in the good people, I am that goodness. If somebody is very good, then I am present in them, in the form of that goodness. Vrishninam vasudevosmi Pandavanam dhananjayaha Muninam apyaham vyasaha Kavinam ushana kavihi. Among the Vrishnis, the Yadavas, I am in the form of Vasudeva. That is Krishna, the son of Vasudeva is Vasudeva. I am myself in the Yadava clan. Ayameva aham tvat sakha. Don't think I am speaking about somebody else. Me. It's me, your friend. Pandavanam dhananjayaha, and among the Pandavas, I am Arjuna, you. Muninapyaham vyasaha, among the sages, those who know everything, I am sage Vyasa. Kavinam ushana kavihi, and among the seers, I am the one called Ushanas. Dando damayatam asmi nitirasmi jigishatam maunam chaivasmi guhyanam jnanam jnanavatamaham. Dando damayatam asmi, and in those who punish, the policemen, judges, king, those who are actually in the place of having to establish dharma by punishing the unrighteous. If you perform some sin, if you are going to perform some great wrong, then you should be punished. Only the fear of punishment causes people to refrain from doing bad things. And that sense of justice, that punishment, that scepter is me. Nitirasmi jigishatam, and in those who wish to win, I am that path of victory. I am the way for victory, the proper dharmic way for victory. Samadhana bheda danda. All these must be followed to attain success. And I am those. Maunam chaivasmi guhyanam. In the secretive people, in a secret, I am that silence. Anything can remain a secret only if you don't speak about it to others. So I am that silence in secrecy. Jnanam jnanavatamaham. In the wise, those who have attained that wisdom, I am that wisdom actually. Those who have realized the oneness of everything, those who have realized the self, I am that wisdom in them, I am that jnana in them. Yachapi sarva bhutanam bijam tadaham arjuna natadasti vinay yatsyan maya bhutam characharam. And I am the seed for everything, Arjuna. Everything, whatever is present in this world, I am the root cause for it. Without me, nothing can exist. Whether it be an inert object or whether it be a moving object, everything is because of me. If I am not there, nothing is there. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa yesha tuddeshatah prokto vibhuter vistaro maya. He finishes. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam. Arjuna, there is just no end to my divine glories. You just cannot list them out. It will just keep extending. Eshatu uddeshatah prokto. And whatever I have said is just very few of them. A part of it I now said to you. Yadyad vibhuti mat sattvam Srimad urjitameva va Tattad yeva vagachatvam Mama tejomsha sambhavam. Yadyad vibhuti mat sattvam Srimad urjitameva va. Whatever greatness, glory you see in anybody, whatever prosperity or richness you see in anything or in anybody, that is just a part of my glory, my richness, my prosperity. You understand that. Just looking at somebody, oh, he's such a great person. Hero worship. Whatever greatness is present, into whatever extent, the slightest thing of greatness which you can see in a person, or greatness to its maximum, whatever is manifested in a person, everything is because of me, because I am present in him. So that greatness exists in him. That greatness is me. That prosperity is me. Wherever you see glory, you understand that it is from me. It is a part of me. Athava bahunaitena kim jnatena tavarjuna Vishtabhyahamidam kritsnam ekamshena sthito jagat. Finally he says, Arjuna, what is the use of you knowing all these things? So many things I told. What is the use of knowing all these? Because anyway it is incomplete. Let me tell you something. This entire world is just 1/4 of my glory. Only 1/4 of me has been manifested as this entire universe. Padosya vishva bhutani tripadasya amritam divi. So everything that is present is just 1/4. The remaining 3/4 is just remaining as such, unmanifested. It is there. So, among that 1/4 that you see as this universe, in that also, just a very few I have listed out. By knowing this, what are you going to understand about me? So just finally he concludes, this entire universe is held by just 1/4 of my glory or strength, or 1/4 of me does all these things. With that he completes. So that vast, you just cannot fathom the greatness of God, His powers, His glories. With this ends the 10th chapter, the Vibhuti Yoga of the Bhagavad Gita. Tomorrow we'll begin the 11th chapter.